All right, we're moving now to an update in the case of a young girl who, remember, was set on fire. She then died after a man who'd been stalking her set her on fire for, according to him, rejecting her advances. Now, this young girl passed away over the weekend in Jharkhand. Now we're learning the Jharkhand Child Welfare Committee has recommended that the SP take action under the POCSO Act in the murder of the student. The committee found that the age of the deceased, according to her mark sheets, was younger than the police had earlier claimed. The police had given the age of the deceased in their first recorded statement as 19 years of age. So this is all according to the Dumka Public Relations Office. My colleague Saurabh is with us right now to bring us more details. Saurabh, two questions for you. First, could you clarify to our audiences, if the mark sheets are to be taken at face value, according to them, what age was the girl when the incident took place? Could you clarify that for us? And then could you tell us more about the action that's been recommended right now?
See, though I have the certificate of the victim and it's a school certificate, and the age here is mentioned, the date of birth is 26 November 2006. So it's clearly that according to this certificate that will be admissible in the court of law as a documentary evidence of her age. The age is 15 years 9 months. So this is the official age of the girl, which clearly indicates that she is a minor, and she'll be treated in the court of law as minor. So all the sections, in fact the POCSO Act also describes in its section 11 and 12, which will be put in will be added in the FIR later. So these all sections will be added. In fact 302 was not added when the FIR was lodged. Attempt to murder 307 was added at that time, but now when the FIR will be refurbished, it will be having the sections of murder 302 and POCSO Act as well. So the controversy erupted when the police had filed an FIR in front of executive magistrate, and the FIR says that she was 19 years old. Now the BJP leaders had started raising questions as to why the police had registered the wrong age of the girl, and in fact had named one SDPO called Noor Mustafa, the Raghuvar Das, who was the ex-minister, who is the ex-minister of Jharkhand. He had accused Noor Mustafa of protecting the accused Shahrukh Hussain. So these all allegations came into light, and then Noor Mustafa, the SDPO, was removed from the investigation, and now a 10-member SIT has been formed, which will be headed by the SP Dumka. And also the High Court had yesterday it had taken a suo motu cognizance, in which the High Court had summoned DGP and asking them to submit a report. In fact, the DGP had submitted a report of the latest investigation and has also given the security to the family of the victim as directed by the High Court. So this is the legality. Now, if we talk about the situation in Dumka, Section 144 is still imposed in the city, and police personnel are deployed over there and also we are learning that three member of parliaments are reaching Dumka today. Nishikant Dubey and Manoj Tiwari and Kapil Mishra, these three leaders will be reaching at Dumka and will hand over a check of at least 25 lakhs to the family of the victim. Also, we are learning that NCW has taken a cognizance of this case, has asked for a report within 7 days from DGP, and a 2-member delegation has reached Ranchi and will be heading towards Dumka today. They'll be meeting with the family, meeting with the police official, taking the report from there. This is the latest development, and we are tracking the story, Toya.
Okay, Saurabh, thank you.